Okay, the problem we have here is these new cabinets, when they open, the door hinge allows it to open to the point where it will hit the adjacent cabinet. Now, for a quick solution to this, all you'll need is a hot glue gun, and you take the hot glue gun, and this is a Boke self-closing hinge. You'll inject hot glue into this portion of the hinge. And the lower hinge the same. Okay, a couple of squirts. And now you'll adjust the door to the point where you want it to stop opening. Hold it there and give the hot glue a minute or two to set up. We can probably fast forward through this part. While it's soft, you can still pull out any excess glue, do a little cleanup, but you'll just make sure that you keep that glob there. That's what's going to be the stop between the hinge bar and the frame. And it'll be the same on the other hinge up there. Like I said, you just kind of pull off some of it. It's a little easier when it's still soft, but as you can see, it's starting to set up. And we'll give it a try. Cool to the touch. Cool. Okay, closing. And now we open. And it won't bang into the cabinet anymore.